Waiting me Bucky Giant. Waiting me Bucky Giant. Oh, what is up, Jamaica's? Came here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we're here with Valiant. Valiant, one of the hottest thing right now around. Because I say with J, that's something called scholar. You don't know. Back of the class, in the man. Yeah. So we go further the one that hear what the G has said. Don't know. Look at the G for the interview set though. Let's go.
Today we have Valiant on our show. Hi Valiant.
Hi Lee.
So I just want to know, what's your response to Mr. Morgan's comment on Duns? Here we have a recording of his statement. Let us know what you think.
Damage music.
I heard my son playing a YouTube video and
the politician you talk about him son. Listen what him say.
Music.
I heard my son playing a YouTube video and he wasn't playing it because he looked for it. He was just on his tablet and I hear
lie! Politician, you're lying. Oh, you for know say him never look for it. Eh? Him a go to school, him a here to play in a car. Him a come from school, him a here to play in a car. Him outside a play a car and pass on a plate. Hottest song that. What you talk about? Hottest song that. Hot. So all you fear say, him never gonna look for it. He look for. Oh. Don't check, he look for that. Move on, go lion. So pick up for your boy. Your boy a bad boy out the road because you're a politician make you pick up for him. Move on, man.
Music.
I heard my son playing a YouTube video and he wasn't playing it because he looked for it. He was just on his tablet and I hear Bunks checking on my account and make this call.
Bunks checking on my account and they upset. What? He look for?
He was just on his tablet and I hear Bunks checking on my account and make this call upset. None of them done yet. Back of the class. Me not on a subject.
Man not on a subject. Don't check. Back of the class. Your son look for it. Your son look for Mr. Politician.
Say when did dunce become fashionable?
Please don't judge me. Just let school and non subject. Don't call me no
Hold on.
Just let school and non subject. Don't call me no done said. I'm a work in progress.
You know much people left school, whether male and female, boys and girls, young man and young woman, how much people left school with how much subject and can't get a job? Eh? Them go apply for a job until they say, oh, you're overqualified. Them go apply for a job where you live. Down there say, oh, no, we can't because everybody will come from the community there. On move on the nastiness, man. On move and go, man. On the same politician and do them thing, man.
Fashionable.
Please don't
judge me.
Just let school and non subject.
Yeah.
Don't call me no done said. I'm a work in progress.
Shit.
Still have to come out to something. Feel for me like more than runway. Nothing I go on in the country. What me I go do when me hungry?
Brother, you shouldn't even unsign, but me like this song. You shouldn't even unsign, because lie my tell. You see me? Lie my tell. But son never, apart from me say, but son never look for it. You know, pick that up on tablet. Eh?
Nothing I go on in the country. What me I go do when me hungry? See man with 7 CXC, still a thief. Me I go come my enemy because I speak. Call center full of minimum wage, still I give up.
See, the master say I have 12 CXC. Bro, I know 1 or 2 Jamaicans that go through them thing here, bro. Me know people personally that go through them something here, bro. The people them have them subject and can't get a job because them too overqualified or them come from down this so. So what do you expect me to do? I'm hungry too, you know. Me pick them hungry too, you know. What the fuck do you expect me to do? I have to go out there go look it, figure cook it. Oh, when a bomb back like.
Because I speak, call center full of minimum wage, still I give up. So we are going to raise profile me come me just up in a border. Markets a blast, police a suffer slow down. Like a uptown youth alone for Rosa.
Yeah, police them do that too. Police don't know if you stop it to you, dog. Members say no found come from ghetto, you know. Members say no found brother and sister ghetto, no mother ghetto, you know. Father ghetto, you know. So on the favoritize the uptown youth them. Them can speed pass on zoom. And them Ferrari. And them Benz. But as soon as I get to you to drive a little crown or a beam, I want to start texting for them. Why? Eh? Why? Who no move and go?
But
But no.
slow down like a uptown youth alone for Rosa. Please don't judge
Don't judge me.
Just let school and I'm subject.
5.
Don't call me not
5.
I'm a work in progress. Still have to come out to something. Feel for me like more than runway. Nothing I go on in the country. What me I go do when me hungry? Tell all the baby not a stroller. Don't is just a word just like my slogan.
Dunce is just a word, bro. Just another slang, dog. So when I take it literally, bro, like, come on, dog. Me know say it a fall back down to the pit them, but the pit them have to know say, yo, a slang. A slang. You see me? So the man them say, yo, Dunce checking our account and rare, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't know say how that's so them make them bread. Cause them have them subject and them can't get. Yo, me like the song, Valiant, pick up a 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐍, FG.
All the baby not a stroller. Don't is just a word just like my slogan. Catch all me at in emotion.
And next slogan.
Kill bad mind with devotion. Diplomats them up all night. Fine flow with some wicked rhyme. How what you mean by the Dunce no bright?
What about clan you mean by the Dunce bright? Yo, that you test. Yo, Valiant. You have a place in a dancehall, brother. You have your place in a dancehall, me G. So listen to the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 eat at them when you talk, bro. Do it, bro. Give me more song. Give me more. Give me more.
I'm a work in progress. Still have to come out to someday. Feel to be like more than runway. Nothing I go on in the country. What we are gonna do when we're hungry? Please don't judge me. Just left school. Not the subject. That's how my bones check. You know his style.
No, Dunce. Please don't judge me. 9. 9.
Don't you just a word just like my slogan.
Catch all the yes, that's the emotion. Yeah.
So Valley, are you really Dunce?
Fully.
Okay, class, man.
Yes, man.
Or subject?
If I King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Pick up yourself, King Cam, as usual, bro. You see me? Valiant, let me talk to you, bro. Don't listen to them, brother. Brother, don't listen to them, brother. Before the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 go viral, nobody never see you, my G. Now the whole world look on you, bro. You don't put a foot wrong all. No. Continue. Beat the boost in them head, my G. Beat them in them head, my G. That is where it is, man. Valiant, pick up a 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿, dog. Bro, you are a game changer. Ever so often we see a game changer forward. We see a Alkaline a game changer. We see a Movado a game changer. We see a Cartel a game changer. We see a Reagan King a game changer. We see TG a game changer. We see Dexter a game changer. We see Valiant a game changer. We see Skeng a game changer. We see Joshy them a game changer. We see Silk a team. There's some game changers here, bro. Valiant, you're up there with them. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, my fam. You have a long way to go. You see me? Continue beating them bad, brother. You see me? Don't judge me. Just left school and have enough subject and we can't get no work. And a joke. Get your people feel it the most, dog. Not joke. Anyway, this is what I'm going to leave down. If you enjoy the one and see more, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Alright? In the next one. Promise.